Happy New Year 2025, John. I'm looking to start affiliate marketing this year. Any tips for a newbie?
Happy New Year. Start by picking a niche you're passionate about and research your audience.
How do I find the right affiliate programs?
Look for programs that offer good commissions and are relevant to your niche.
What's the best way to promote affiliate products?
Create engaging content like blogs, videos, or social media posts to drive traffic.
Any advice for 2025?
Keep up with trends and use AI tools to streamline and improve your marketing efforts.
Dear Ashley, how can I build a strong personal brand online?
Start by defining your niche and unique value. What makes you stand out?
What platforms should I focus on?
Use LinkedIn for professional branding and Instagram for a personal touch.
How do I stay consistent?
Create a content schedule and stick to a specific tone and style.
William, how do I grow my first email list quickly?
Offer a free resource like an ebook or checklist in exchange for signups.
Where should I promote the freebie?
Share it on your website, social media, and in forums where your audience hangs out.
How do I keep subscribers engaged?
Send value-packed emails weekly. Mix helpful tips with occasional offers.
Samantha, I want to run social media ads. Where do I start?
Start by defining your goal. Traffic, leads, or sales. What's your objective?
How do I target the right audience?
Use detailed targeting options like demographics, interests, and behaviors.
What's the best way to test ad performance?
Run A/B tests with different visuals and copy to see what works best.
Joseph, I want to start a YouTube channel. Any advice?
Pick a niche you're passionate about. Plan content around what your audience wants.
What equipment do I need as a beginner?
A good smartphone, decent lighting, and a simple microphone are enough to start.
How do I grow my audience?
Be consistent, optimize titles and thumbnails, and engage with your viewers.
Hey Jessica, what's the key to a great homemade pizza?
A good dough and fresh ingredients. Start with a simple dough recipe.
How do I make the dough?
Let it rise for an hour for a soft, chewy crust.
What about the sauce?
Keep it simple with crushed tomatoes, garlic, and oregano.
Any topping tips?
Mozzarella and fresh basil are always a win.